Robert, this is my lovely message to you from the depth of my heart. I've really waited for this day and it has come. And I just want to say thank you so much. Since I met you, you've never disappointed me. And I just can't say it all, but just know I can't wait to be a whole missus and the days today. I'm so grateful for everything. You chose me among so many people. I love you so much.
Wanna down on the beat.
Brashan Photography. Perfect memories captured are never lost.
Telling me what I owe you. Telling me what you wanted me to give you. My darling, Isabella, oh boy, Isabella, you know why you be feeling awkward. My papa, she carry your courage. My darling, I'm looking you. My darling, I'm looking you. Me up, she giving me styles, different styles, she be my partner. She doing her art, she making it sound, she casting a spell, I brought her back. I mean, yeah, me, I know what to die. But man, she don't know me, I do. I'm a rip, yeah, spinning me crocodile. I don't understand, but she knows, say, I need
Down on the beat.
Brashan Photography. Perfect memories captured are never lost.